Welcome to Alphabet Quest by the Monster Crew. Today we're going on a safari adventure where we'll look for letters of the alphabet to help us find a secret code to unlock a message. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's go! Hey guys, welcome! Are you ready to get started? First, I'm going to see if I can find my friend Mike. He's a monkey. Oh, hi Mike. Can you give our friends a wave? Mike, we're here on an alphabet quest. Would you like to join? Okay, I'm going to check my phone for our first clue. We're looking for the letter that all these words start with. Kangaroo, kayak, koala. Let's think. Kangaroo, kayak, koala. Oh, those words all start with the letter K. This is an uppercase K, and this is a lowercase k. So if you see any uppercase Ks or lowercase Ks, be sure to let me know. Mike, can you show our friends where to go so they can look for the letter K? Do you see the letter K? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 Ks here. Since there were 4 letter Ks, that means that the first number in our secret code is the number 4. Great job! Let's keep going. I have our next clue. We're looking for the letter that all of these words start with. Van, volleyball, volcano. Oh, those words all start with the letter V. This is an uppercase V, and this is a lowercase v. So if you see any uppercase V's or lowercase V's, be sure to let me know. Do you see any letter V's? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letter V's here. Because there were 6 letter V's, the second number in our secret code is the number 6. Nice work! Let's keep going. Oh, hey Mike, you're back, and you're just in time for the next clue. We're looking for the letter that all of these words start with. Elephant, eggplant, elbow. Those words all start with the letter E. This is an uppercase E, and this is a lowercase e. So if you see any uppercase E's or lowercase e's, be sure to let me know. Do you see any letter E's here? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2. There are 2 letter E's here. Because there were 2 letter E's, the third number in our secret code is the number 2. Nice work! Let's keep going. I have our next clue. We're looking for the letter that all of these words start with. Whale, waffle, worm. Ah, those words all start with the letter W. This is an uppercase W, and this is a lowercase w. So if you see any uppercase W's or lowercase w's, be sure to let me know. Do you see any letter W's? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 letter W's here. Because there were 3 letter W's, the next number in our secret code is the number 3. Nice work! We only need one more number to crack the secret code. And I have our next clue. We're looking for the letter that all of these words start with. Jellyfish, jacket, jam. Let's think. Jellyfish, jacket, jam. Oh, those words all start with the letter J. This is an uppercase J, and this is a lowercase j. So if you see any uppercase J's or lowercase J's, be sure to let me know. Do you see any letter J's here? Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letter J's here. Because there were 5 letter J's, the last number in our secret code is the number 5. We did it! We uncovered the secret code. Are you ready to see the secret message? Kindness is contagious. I think that's true. Have you ever noticed that when someone is kind to you, it makes you want to be kind too? So, if we're kind, we can help inspire other people to be kind as well. Thanks for joining us on this safari adventure. Until next time.